Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create YouTube shorts on desktop. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, I have here a short video about cats, and as you can see here, this is the video that I will upload it on YouTube as a short. So how I can do this? Very easy. First go to google.com and the search bar search for YouTube Studio. Then click YouTube Studio. Perfect. And then go at the top and click create. Then click upload videos. Perfect. Then come back to your video that you want to upload it, for example this, and drag and drop it here. Perfect. This is the first step. Now after uploading the video, so if you want to turn the video into a short video, you can easily do this by putting or by write a hashtag in the title or in description. For example, like this, shorts, and automatically your video will be video in short. Okay. And you can also add some hashtag here, for example, and here write a small description about your video, for example, and add the hashtag here, for example, cats, hashtag shorts, animals, amazing animals. Okay. Now go down. So if you want to change your thumbnail, you can change it on YouTube mobile. Okay. And then go down, and here if your video made for kids, click yes. If not, click no. Then go down and amazing animals, sorry, shorts, cats, shorts. Perfect. Then select your video language and then change the category of your video. Example, I'll choose pets and animals. Then click next, and here you can add a related video in your short. Then next, and here click public to publish your video. And this is the link of our short video. Copy it, and as you can see here, this is our short video. Well, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.